How's it going, everyone? Welcome to a quick Davinci tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove any white noise or any background noise or even background music that you don't necessarily want to be in the foreground or even at all in your audio. So there is ways you can do this within Davinci itself. However, the way that I found that is the most effective is if you just straight up take it to Audacity, which is a strictly audio, oriented program, and it's fucking amazing. So this is my audio that I have. If you listen to it at the beginning,
Hello everyone,
there's
and welcome to
a little bit of white noise in the beginning. Then I start my speech. I have actually upped the audio in the beginning just to exaggerate the white noise for the sake of demonstration, so you can kind of hear the white noise. So what you're gonna want to do, it doesn't matter if there's actual video in this project. Okay, but let me rewind for a sec. Removing white noise, I recommend, is the last step you do in your project. So once you have this all cut up and organized to the way that you like, and you have all the footage, everything is completely done, then you do the white noise removal. That way it doesn't accidentally have some unintended side effect. Anyways, you want to go to the Deliver tab in the bottom corner, and then at the top you're going to have all of these settings. You're going to want to scroll all the way to the right hand side and click on Audio Only, and then under this Audio tab, instead of having it on QuickTime format, you're going to want it to be on the WAV format. I don't know why, that's just the way it is, so I don't make the rules, I just follow them, and then just, render it. It's going to take exactly 3 seconds. Okay, so once it's started rendering, you're going to want to open up Audacity. If you don't have Audacity, don't worry, I have a tutorial on how to download it. It's literally free, although you do want to look out for scam links, because I've seen some scam links before that are pretending to be Audacity, which is kind of fucking disappointing, but it's free. If you don't have it, you can easily get it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So once you're in Audacity, you're going to want to click File, Import, Audio. So File, Import, Audio. And then you want to scroll down to your file that you just did, and it should come up like this. The controls in Audacity are a little bit confusing to someone who's new. Even to me, who uses the program every now and again, even I find it a bit confusing. So I might make a video discussing how to understand this. But basically, Control Zoom zooms in, like zoom on the scroll wheel, and then you're gonna want to drag click on the portion of video that has the white noise. And then if you press the space bar, it will literally play just that section that's highlighted. So everything within this whited out section is considered like junk audio, just random background noise that kind of just sucks. So that's what I want removed. So what's whited out is what you want removed. So if you have a background song, then you'd want to highlight it. So what you want to do is you want to go to Effect in the top tab, go to Noise Removal and Repair, and then click Noise Reduction. So this thing's going to pop up. And so the first step is you're going to want to click Get Noise Profile. Basically what that does is it takes a profile of the highlighted audio that you have, and then so you just click it, and depending on how long you selected, you might need to wait a second. Okay, so now you want to select everything that you want to affect, which is, of course, you want to remove white noise from the whole video. So you can want to press Control A, and that will select the entire thing. So once you have everything selected by using Control A, click Effect, Noise Removal and Repair, and go back to Noise Reduction again. And then with the noise profile selected, don't click on that again. Now you might need to play with these settings around slightly. I find that having stuff too high kind of fucks with everything a little bit. But yeah, you can click Preview.
Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new...
And the audio is kind of like in my right ear, but that's besides the point. As you can hear, the white noise is completely gone. So you're going to just want to click OK. It'll probably take less than a second, depending on how long your video is. And as you can see by the physical lines, there's just no white noise that even exists. Like, you can listen.
Hello everyone, and welcome to...
There just is no white noise now. So what you want to do now from this is you want to go to File, Export as WAV. You could probably do it as MP3. I just think it muddies things a little bit less if you just go with WAV, because it's already a WAV. I'm going to name this Untitled New, because the old one is named Untitled, so we can't give it the same name now, can we? Once it's saved, you're going to want to go back to Davinci, and then just upload the new file. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna mute this track so we can just listen to the original again. Let's just listen to the original. Okay, now let's mute the original and just listen to the one that we edited. It's like a night and day difference. Even if you don't think it necessarily impacts your audio that much, it actually does. You can go from, like, if you have a lot of white noise in the background, you're kind of like a new, inexperienced YouTuber, the way you're perceived. But just doing this small change, just removing white noise, infinitely makes you seem more professional and more put together, if you will. So hopefully this tutorial helps you improve your editing. Maybe you guys will start to grow on YouTube now because of this. So thank you very much. Make sure you guys do subscribe if you want to listen to more tutorials, or if you just want to support me. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.